Hello folks and welcome to another Parkside product review video. Today here I have two sets. The first one contains HSS Milling drill bits and the second HSS Step bits. They both are made from HSS steel, obviously, with titanium coating. The step bits range from 4 to 32 millimeters, 4 to 20 millimeters, and 4 to 12 millimeters. And the milling drill bits range from 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 millimeters. Let's open them. Now let's take a closer look at the milling drill bits. As usual, those are made in China. That's why they're so cheap. Each of the sets costs only €5. Now let's test the milling bits using my brand new Parkside cordless drill. Let's do another test. As you can see, they are doing their job. It takes some time, but the bit is quite hot now. When you apply a little more force, the things are getting quicker. So when doing such activity, it will be better if you have a stationary drill, not cordless one like mine. Okay, so this is for the milling bits. Now let's open the HSS step bits and test them too. They're made for metal, but unfortunately The only metal that I could find is this straight. This is the biggest step bit. It ranges from 4 to 32 millimeters. It's quite massive. Let's see how it performs in wood. As you can see, the step bit is eating the wood like it's butter. Pretty impressive for a bit with such diameter. Quite hot again. Now let's try the smaller diameter on my straight. And we'll be testing this one ranging from 4 to 12 millimeters. Of course, drilling this metallic boxes, piece of cake for every drill bit available out there, but the step bit is performing its job. As you can see, the hole is almost perfect. And let's drill another one. Pretty nice again. And this time the drill bit is not even hotter. As most of the Parkside items, I'm really impressed of their performance. I mean, I'm impressed based on the price tag they have. Like I said, both sets cost only €5, and you can find them in Lidl. So that's for me for now, guys. Thumbs up and subscribe.